Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can use Target gift card online. In order to use or redeem your Target gift card, what you can do is you can use this as a way of purchasing an item, or you can use this as a payment method. In order to do so, what you need to do is open up your web browser and then on the search box type in www.target.com. After that, you also need to make sure that you're already logged into your account. If you don't have an account on Target, then you'll need to create an account. After you create your account, you'll be taken to this kind of page. Now on this interface, you need to select the item that you want to purchase or use your gift card as a payment method. So for example, I'm just gonna go with the random items. Once you're done selecting the item, you need to click on add to cart. After you've added the item to your cart, you can either continue shopping or you can just simply go on with this particular item and then click on view cart and checkout. After that, click on checkout once again and click on review. You need to review all of the necessary details about the item. After you've done that, you need to click on checkout and continue in the bottom right corner of your screen, and then you'll be asked to enter in your billing address. Once you're done entering your billing address, you'll be asked to enter in your payment details. While you're entering your payment details, what you need to do is instead of your credit card number, you need to enter in the gift card number that will be located on the card, and then you also need to enter in the CVV number that might be located on the back of a card, or you'll need to scratch the card in order to see the CVV number. In order to enter in the CVV number, once you're done entering all of these information, click on redeem or click on use. And if the provided information is correct, you'll be taken to the next page where you need to review all of the information. Once you've done that, click on submit, and then you've successfully redeemed your gift card online. So in this way, you can redeem your Target gift card online. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.